coming in. Source-based information that suggests that the Sharia is the true expression of Prophet and is significant in all aspects of Muslim personal law, especially in the law of inheritance. This is apparently the Kerala government issuing a statement. So this is the government's position. The law of inheritance and all other branches of law relating to the Muslim law contained in the Sharia are in accordance with the provision of the constitution. There was a meeting of various Muslim leaders, including the leaders of Samastha in the month of March, where the clerics have requested to continue with the existing practices and procedure. One who belongs to Muslim community cannot complain on the discrimination on basis of principles recognized by Islam. Vivek is joining us to further put this in perspective. Vivek.
That's right. Now, these, points which we have mentioned is a statement of facts that's been prepared by the government, where it will be clearly mentioned in the affidavit that will be given before January 20th, 2023. But the most important part of the statement of facts is that the government clearly is watching for the Sharia law. It says that the law of inheritance, when it comes to the sharing of property, is which contains in Sharia is in accordance with the constitutional provisions. And also it says that if any member of the Muslim community want to file a complaint or reach the court, it cannot do so basically because it can approach the court, it can act as per his or her conscience, but it will not stand because these are classical principles of the Islamic law, and hence there is no point. So basically the Kerala government clearly says that all these laws as far as the inheritance is concerned, where there is a clear differentiation between boys and girls, so male and the female children. It says that this is in accordance with the Sharia law, and hence this clearly is as per the provision.
The Kerala government, in as many words, feels that if the petitioners feel that the principles of succession conflict with their understanding of Islamic law, they cannot enforce their views through the courts. Let me go across to Mr. Ratan Sharda. Mr. Ratan Sharda, if we go by the same logic, then can this logic be extended to other issues as well? Would we need laws if everyone acted as per their conscience? Is what the Kerala government is suggesting.
I'm amazed actually by the arguments that have been provided by Mr. Mathew. As far as Atikur is concerned, I don't mind because he's a Muslim scholar. He will put his point, but he's also been open to idea of not accepting every clause of Sharia as God-given. But Mr. Mathew talks about center's responsibility. This case came up in Kerala. This case happened in High Court. Now state government is going to High Court, Supreme Court. Is BJP or central government involved in any way? No, sir. And why are they going to Supreme Court? To affirm that Sharia is above law, above constitution. Is Sharia above constitution in a secular state? That is the question that we should be asking, which these people have conveniently forgotten. Because the BJP position is very clear that Sharia can't be above constitution. And why does Mathew feel that it is above constitution? When they say no Muslim can challenge the law, tomorrow if a Muslim deserts Islam, if the penalty for deserting Islam is very serious, it goes up to death. So what is the kind of law we are trying to pass in this country? And most delightful part is that both left and right, as both left, Communist and Congress on the opposite spectrum, are supporting this particular stance. And only time I saw them together in any particular stance was asking for bail of Mr.